Welcome. This is a new workflow that we've built in the last week. I'm going to show you step by step what we are doing in this end-to-end automation. Currently, it's running every 15 minutes. What this workflow does, it's gathering Trustpilot reviews, creating 2 reports, and sending both reports to the companies that we have analyzed. I'm going to show you what I've done. It's a Google spreadsheet with almost, I think it's 100,000 items. Yeah, I can keep on scrolling, but for now it's okay. You can see there are a lot of them. There are a couple of headers we're using. We got the URL, the Trustpilot page. So if I click to the page, you'll see this is the page. And you'll see they don't respond to the reviews. Then there is claimed or not claimed. There's added, contacted, and there is email or no email. These are pretty important because when we go to this page, we are going to check if the page is claimed or not. Because if the page isn't claimed, then the company isn't using the Trustpilot page. So that's not currently not necessary to run in the workflow. When there is an email of the company, it will be in this item over here. Currently, they don't have an email. And these are all the Trustpilot reviews. We are just gathering the first page. For now, we can adjust the workflow to get them all. But for this workflow, the scope is just the first page. So we got the list of all the companies. Then from the Google spreadsheet into this if node. Then we're going to check if there's an email address or not. So I will just open up this one, then you can see. So we got them all. Then we are gathering the first one. And the first one that hasn't been contacted yet, because that's what we are doing in this spreadsheet. We're checking and we're checking if contact is empty. Then we are gathering them all if they have to have an email. So they got an email. So we limit to the first item and we just get one. We are checking adding the page to an updated Trustpilot URL. So in this function node, we are adding page number 1. So if I do something like this, 2 or 3 and 4, I can gather all these reviews. So simple is this workflow. So for now, we're just using page 1. Then we are collecting the HTML from page 1. We are extracting the articles, and it's called articles, but it's review cards. And we're checking if the label is claimed. There should be something not claimed or warning. Those are 3 possible labels. Then we are turning the extracted content into Markdown, combining all the articles. So combining all the data from the reviews into, in this case, 20 items. Then we are splitting them out into a JSON. Let me pull this a bit down. So as you can see, these are all the reviews. This is the first part of where the magic happens. So we got a review responder. That's this one. This agent is generating responses to reviews where the company didn't respond to the customer. So as you can see, there were 20 items, and this company is pretty good at responding to the customers because they only got 3 reviews left, and these are the newest 3 where they didn't send in a response. So as you can see, let's go to they responded to everything. Then we are gathering all these responses into one field, an output field, to send to the next agent. And this agent is generating a report that's just a JSON output, because we are going to parse this output into an HTML. This is the function node that's doing that. I will show you the output. It's a pretty cool report. As you can see, this is what every company is getting. So this is a way to do a cold outreach, but provide some value to the companies you're emailing. So as you can see, we're using Icebreaker. This could be optimized because the most important lines in an outreach email are the first couple of lines to get the attention of the people you're emailing. Further down, they can immediately send a WhatsApp message to get in touch with some automation, or they can just respond with yes to start working together. Further down, you can see that they got 3 reviews left with no response. So we've written the responses for them. As you can see, it's all in Dutch, but you can just optimize the agent to write in your own language. And then they have responded to all the other reviews. And below you can see a response and another time to check the Twitter profile or get in touch on WhatsApp. So if this is the first report, then we are generating with this agent based on the input of this agent. We are doing an analysis of the reviews of the customers and how good is the company reacting to the reviews, and a lot of little other nuances to generate an icebreaker again. And with this HTML output, we're parsing it with this function node. And this is the result. I'm going to show you. So as you can see, another time an icebreaker, and they can get in touch, and nice report about their review. So as you can see, this is a pretty cool way how you can do your own outreach and give the companies you are sending emails to a little bit of value and provide them with some data points that they can immediately implement in their services. If you have any questions about this end-to-end workflow, contact me. I'm Sam from Sam Automation. The whole workflow will be available in the school community, including SOP, how to set it up. And of course, you can download the workflow in the school community as well. And when you get to the school community, you will get all these templates for free. You can generate daily horoscope videos. You can automate YouTube Shorts with Google News. And most important, there's a knowledge base where you can find all the credentials, how to set them up. A pretty cool way to self-host your end-to-end with Easy Panel and Kokoro text-to-speech. If you have any other questions, just contact me. Happy to help. Have a nice day.